Oops. It's a new day today, and I'm headed to my dad's. Like I said, I needed to cut something on my braces, but the big thing today, when I was scrolling, I was going through my social media, special guys that's a boxer, and I was like, there is no way I am not actually going there. So there's a few items that I need from a boxer, like abo sagalempupu, abo rice, sugar, fish oil, and those things obviously you can't get them at at Woolies. If you like, okay, hold up, let's have a conversation, right? So we as black people like to trust each other because of where we are shopping, where we buy our food. For example, Boxer is a division of Pick n Pay. So if you're buying from Pick n Pay, there's Boxer, there's Pick n Pay Hyper, there's all these things. And then ShopRite is a division of Checkers, you know. So basically these are a supermarket. Ebo, Ninjali. This is a supermarket food chain, right? So that is there. So basically, Tina, as black people, we are just judgmental to each other because of and that's not the big case. Buy where you afford. But the things that I can't get at Woolies that I go get at Checkers, and the things that I get at another shop that I can't get at another shop. So it is your money. You choose where you want to buy. However, for the purpose of today's vlog, siya e-Boxer namhlanje ngifuna ukuya e-Boxer. Like kunini ngifuna ukuya e-Boxer. I haven't been to Boxer in years. The last time I went there was when ngidlala umshayelwane and beginning Black Friday, and it was a mess. So today I asked my dad to accompany me to Boxer, and now we will tell a few things. So I'm gonna buy those stuff that he wants for him, but I won't tell him, you know. So but whatever he wants today he can get. But I want to fill up my cart, and my budget is strictly 1,000 rand. If I'm going to exceed my budget, it means I'm going to spend 1,005. So we're going to see what we're going to pick up at Boxer, and I'm taking my dad for some support because I'm scared of labafana laba abalapana abunya boy and all of that. So that's the whole chat today. So Boxer, and you're gonna see what we can stock up at Boxer, and we're gonna do a nice mommy grocery haul. So come with me. Zeli, say hi. No, that's not a hi. Say hi. So yeah, so let's do that today. So please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video. Let's go inside so I can cut my wire, and then we go to Boxer. Hello, Baba. Shut Baba. Oh, new boy.
How are you? Good.
Baba bamenze kuphi ngoba kakagundi ngifuna nokuthenga umshini agundi.
Umenzeni?
Ngimenze ngalesa sponge lesa sokudryisa inwele.
Oh, mara smart. Mara sefane bayithi la.
Yeah. Wena baba wenzeni la fanta?
Umuntu wami ngono igesi yambeni la. Right. Uthi sangikhatha. Uyangikhatha. Ufike late uthangikhatha. Igesi.
Baba what's in the scale?
Uyahleka.
Baba kuyikeptisi.
Yeah, ngiyofaka yona.
Baba ngicela ngifike noptangi ngikhankathele waya le.
Ingane konje.
Okay, alright. Cool.
Yeah, zweli.
Ngasho kanjalo.
Oh, ufuna ibona kahle speeding.
Yeah.
Kufanele ngiriza card yazi.
Ngilona igila thaya.
Bekumnandi salasa sayenzeka.
Mara selekhaleka. Hayi.
Baba kanti iphi iphathe ekhathayo la?
Ngathatha njengosisibanga.
Why ingakhathi?
Ufuna ukuyincamula?
Yeah, lento le ngisho la. Teka kusengize njani? Ilo kuyangisika.
Oh, ithathekile ne?
Yeah, ichachekile.
Ethi ngibona.
Singike kahle la. Mina ngiyavloga ngapho.
Oh, yabona.
Ngiyavloga. Hey, chick yami. Yeah.
Yo.
Sengikhona
Oh,
khasa.
no.
Yeah.
Hayi khathi lapha.
Ayikhathi.
Hayi ekhata la.
La.
Ekhata la.
Oh.
Yita nesina. Mawufuna ikhata la.
Nele
Fanele
ngisa-
uyibambe.
Iza ke.
Ukuthi 1 2 3 4.
Ize ke.
Esiseni. Mama.
Ize ke.
Ngikhate kanjalo ne.
Ihake yento le yonke.
Ngaso ngithi.
Ingaba.
Hayi.
Ina ihlungu angikhona kenza next.
Ne. Ya ngcono zenza kanjalo. Lethi ke khata ke.
Ah.
Bese ke.
Yo.
At last.
Yes, yes. Baba phela inkupile yeva.
Inyama ne.
Yeah,
Ngithola
teka
ukudlula
teka
ukudla.
kuthi njani la.
Ah, na skisi.
Kodwa ke ichathekile.
Ay, dibhlungu ngithathe. Okay guys, sisiyahamba bathi kune-boxer eMayfield, so siya eMayfield bathi kuyathengeka, so we're gonna go there. Asiyikule ethusayo by laphaya e-Universal and all of that. So asameni guys sizobona ukuthi singadopha idrati ngilikhathile. I feel free just ekusele lento lena. I just hope my doctor does not see that because uzongibuza into eziningi, but I'm due for my appointment. So boxer, here we go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just an ordinary day. Till you came around, I had my feet on the ground. So much for that. Just an ordinary day. Till you came around, and now my life's upside down. Imagine that. And it's all because I heard you say. And it's all because I heard you say. And it's all because I walked your way. And I heard you say. I heard you say. And I heard you say. I heard you say. And I heard you say. I heard you say. I heard you say. I heard you say. And I heard you say. I heard you say. And I heard you say. And I heard you say. And I heard you say.
So sifikile boxer, so siya eboxer le ethusayo. So siyobona indaba yenyuka. Okay, so I'll see you when I get there because I can't hold my phone, guys. It's not safe here. So I'll see you inside.
Thank you. You know me, I'm too shy to take things.
Guys, badlala radio la, so I can't talk much because it's totally copyright, ne? So enjoy the rest of the vlog.
Your love, been waiting on them long enough. My hand out to lead me to the place where no one can erase that we were there. Let me in my love, set me loose and I'll go over and above. I can prove it, baby, grown enough to know now what you really want, why and how. Treat me
way, just dead and waiting. So give me to my love. He got one my mind always remind me of. Had a vision we went back to remember when we were at that baby restaurant. The gorgeous fool, right upon the Barbarossa road. Why am I justified by your lips and your eyes that go on and on and on and on and on? You'll never catch up. Yes, it charms my
Guys,
Yamuza ukuthi uthini? Wethi wena uzobona iplan.
yeah,
Yeah, so next time
no, there's no next time.
fanele next time sibe nesho ukuthi upaka la eduze.
To avoid the uncle
Yeah.
listen to this. Hi guys, so I'm so annoyed.
Uzoba nenhliziyo encane. So
Yeah.
let it be.
Okay, but we
Yeah.
sing vlog again.
Guys,
Guys,
emhlophe futhi.
I'm so
Yeah.
annoyed. So when you come
Sisaye
to
indawo
Boxer,
yokupaka la.
you must pay for trolley like 10 rands. I don't necessarily understand. I already been scammed because I was buying a broom. I'm telling you, it was 25 rands. They said they don't swipe 25 rands, so I had to take something in the shop. I'll show you when I get home. Okay, so you have to pay 10 rands for the trolley. Something I don't understand why. So here's the trolley. So we're done, but I'm going home now. And then my dad has one last stop, so I didn't go over budget, guys. But I'll show you Isli Mangfi in him. Alright. Okay, Bab. Sisicedile ne izinto zethu. Okay, Baba. Ebox abikuninyoka ne. Kwayenzakala ngicoca. Awungoba kashe ngine lezakhe.
Guys, before there were rumors ukuthi there's a snake. Yeah, but along the way I to find out not something like that ayikho.
What if sihlangane naye baba siyibonanga lapha ebox?
If bekhona inyoka ngabe sibona today. Uyabona abantwana bahamba nabo mama baphethe
Yeah.
bemele inyoka ithathe labo bantwana basesebancane. So ama rumors before bathi umntwana omncane kwaba ne-incident kwaba khona umntwana ngathi oye washona umzala abuya naye ebox.
Oh,
Yeah, so
bese
people that
yaqala
create
lapho.
stories. Yeah.
Oh, I ke kwaba
Box
yikho lapho.
ayafana namanye ama-shop. There's no snake, guys.
Yeah. Okay, again, Israeli guys. Guys, we done for the day. I didn't go over budget though. I'm gonna do the haul for you. So now I'm at my dad's. I'm just waiting for Lishe. Then we're gonna go home. Then we did. So I didn't go over budget. I told you my budget was 1,000 rand, and we didn't go over budget today. So, clink. Bafazi, umfazi ukhathele, ndikhathele. I don't require anything. Today, benin that girl was at Davidson. Anzulile today. If you saw me at Box, if you saw me at OBC, if you saw me at Nizams, tata munfakile guys, emehonchini phakathi namahonchi. Phakathi in the middle of the haunches. So again, they have their shops that they like to go to. So ngakho OBC and then saye Nizams, but ngifuna into yomnyango. And then so I overall I had like Lama Shop Lawa Nkula, they are in different parts of the mall, but it was interesting that I went to the mall now and it's so much has changed. I felt like I was lost there, but it felt good to go back to Davidson Mall because I hardly even use Davidson Mall, guys. I don't go there, so initially I thought Kutsis were at Mayfield, but we didn't go to Mayfield. So I'm home now. I bought the kids takeouts. Above everything, above everything else, I had a good productive day. It was nice to spend the day with my dad and to just be normal for once, do normal things. It felt good, Yes, I met a couple of people. Of course, we took a few selfies. That was very nice. Abanye, they're like, oh my gosh, you're so pretty in real life. I intend to change in real life. In real life, But anyway, so Davidson will always be goated, guys. Davidson will always be goated. That's my Kasi. That's my kasi will forever be goated. But I had a lot of experiences today, and I will probably do the whole for you tomorrow because I'm really tired. Ndi busy ngoku ndifake 95 unleaded. Xa ndigqiba apha ndiyovasa, guys. I need to just rest and prepare for tomorrow and see what the day holds. Tomorrow is still my day off as well, so I'm only going back to work the day after, so it is what it is, but I'm just exhausted. I'm just exhausted. I had a good day. So I'll do the whole for you properly tomorrow, guys. I need to rest. I am home now. Today was very interesting. Like ngene Davidson Mall egate leli bengena ngalo ngisakhula, ngihambe lapha esquareni, bengisesquareni namhlanje, bengiloya girl, ngingenile kulama shop lawa, futhi kule shop le yomthanyelo. Ngithatha umthanyelo ngibona umuhle upink, vele umthanyelo wami buphukile ngoba ngithenga umthanyelo bese uyamphuka or uyamasheka, so ngifuna le yasestradini leqinile. Sana mangena lapha shop but abaswipe anything below 25 rand. So ngangena lapha shop and I got ngithathe into engazimisela ngiyithatha just for the sake of taking it, for the sake of being able to pay. And then in the shop, like, oh guys, good news guys. But anyway, so catch up akahle ngomso. From me to you, it is nothing but love and light. Oh my goodness, guys. If there's one thing I need to tell you is that this full moon is doing a number. This full moon is doing a number. I have not been sleeping well, and it didn't help that I had another couple of days of not sleeping well. So I'm literally in the pits. Like daytime I'm sleepy, nighttime I'm up, so this is one of those ones, so use them wisely. I'm back with another haul, but before we get into that, would I go back to shop at Boxer? No, and hear me out why I'm saying this. Yesterday I tried to break down for you the supermarket system. Uguti Boxer is owned by Pick and Pay. So and then Checkers own ShopRite. So basically what these businessmen did, or these franchises did, they saw Gucci within our economy there is affordability, there's middle class, and then there's poor. So they make sure that they cater for all of them. So it's just different stores but owned by abantu abafanayo. So it's up to you where you choose to go, because also the types of foods that are sold there, the grades differ. But the reason why I will not go back to Boxer, one is because of the service. I do not want to be in a space and shop and not feel unsafe, right? It's been a while since I've been to Boxer, but yesterday I was not feeling safe. I was literally clenching to my handbag half of the time. I didn't feel comfortable holding my phone. There were people that were looking at me like it was very it was not comfortable, I know maybe I want in like a box or something like that, but it was not a comfortable space for me to be in, even though I was with my dad. And also when it comes to the food, I was so overwhelmed by like everything. Like I did not know even the things I wanted to pick. I looked at some of them and I thought to myself, nah, this is not gonna go into my cupboard. This is not going to be good for me and the kids. What if we get home and be sick, But the chat I want to have with you is this, that you need to work hard in life to afford a better quality of service for yourself. I know good is cooler in a system whereby you understand that our affordability as funny, but please aspire ukufika endaweni utholi service oyideservayo, and also a good quality of food where you can shop and be on the phone, where you can shop and hold your car keys like this, where you can shop and feel safe, where you can shop and not have people pocket watch you. Because literally yesterday, people that were recognizing me were literally pocket watching what was in my trolley. You understand? So baba muthathe zithu nami ngathathe zithu, but there's somebody looking at me like, wow, uthathe Spanish. So I feel like in life we have been taught as black people to be comfortable in vibrating in poverty. Lezana, when you shop in them, there's just some type of drainage that happens with you. You need to enter a space and feel comfortable, you know, that you're going to leave your money here. Go into an aisle, browse, look at what you want. Sometimes even stop, think about, oh, I'm going to find this and find that. Because truth is, there are things that you'll find at Boxer that you'll never find at Checkers Hyper. There are things that you can find at Pick a Pay but not find at Woolies. And Lana, it's not about Uguti ubani unemali, because abantu abamnyama thina sesinale nkinga yok pocket watcher. We like watching people's pockets. Ukuthi who is affording what. Umuntu, because they shop at Woolies, you automatically think they have money. You know, there are things that you can't get at Woolies. Awuye kuthole 10 kg, anye kuthole 10 kg rice, anye kuthole. I understand. I'm trying to be drive certain points with you so that you can understand where we're going, right? So aspire for greater things in your life. Aspire to exit the poverty chain within your community or your family. You know, I drive out, grocery. I don't buy food. I felt like, what the hell am I doing here? I don't like being in a space where people are just like, I don't know, there's something weird. I go to malls all the time and I choose the malls I go to because I know that I don't want to be in a mall and have people looking at me like they just saw Nelson Mandela, you know? I want to be comfortable. I'm human. I'm doing what you are doing. I'm coming here to shop. I don't expect the teller to be pocket watching what the F I'm buying. Like that, asakwazi nokuthenga ithini fish. Asakwazi nokuthenga ithini fish in peace because nizosibhekela ukuthi why umpho adla ithini fish a Glenrick a sweet chili. You get what I'm trying to say with you. So aspire to exit that poverty chain. Don't be comfortable in these spaces and think that that's where you're going to end up in. And if you have not tasted anything outside of that, you will never know. Sometimes if uhlale gas, phume gas, hambu yenzi shopping, ungagibeli local, it takes so hambu epino. Lakeside is not even Lakeside yafana and Dayton. It can't even mall yafana and Whiteville. Just go to different spaces, you know? Go do your groceries there. Accustom yourself to safety. Accustom yourself to security, you know. Accustom yourself to quality. Accustom yourself to better things. Then you will not be looking at things from afar. Like for example, I choose where I buy my meat, and I'm very selective with that. Last week talking, this guy was dating Begang Lisa Nyamase Roots, you understand? And I thought I was being an understanding girlfriend. I don't want to lie to you. We went together, me and this guy. Roots. That's when my life flashed before my eyes. Like there's certain things that you're not willing to do as a person. And personally, I'm not judging anybody who does that, but I'm just saying there's certain things in life that you will never go to and do because of how far you would have put into yourself, into your life. So I'm not judging anybody. Our pockets are not the same. But don't be comfortable in poverty. If there's one thing I hate, people who are comfortable in poverty. Don't be comfortable in poverty. You know, aspire to fill up a trolley at Checkers. Aspire to, if you know you're upgrading from Boxer to ShopRite, from ShopRite to Pick and Pay, from Pick and Pay to Checkers, you Woolies. Aspire for that. Go get an avocado at Woolies. Go buy an avocado at Boxer. Taste the difference. Taste the goods. Okay, this is the quality I'm working with. Once you have tasted different things in life, you'll understand. And Mina, I do not like throwing my money or putting my money in places like that because in 80% of the time I will be right. And mind you, and normally they are being told ukuthi bahambe bayokha inyawo zabantu at supermarkets and all those things. So if these Boxers and ShopRites that you find that these things are happening, like guys, I just feel like in life, work hard to afford quality, to afford a better service. Yabona mase shopping ndaweni mabasarasa Rebecca you need to work a little bit harder. Most shopping ndaweni lana umuntu akhona ufika uzidrowe so you need to do better for yourself, you know. So all of those things matter, but that's just my food for you for thought. We are fighting for better, and you cannot be born into poverty and want to be comfortable in poverty and want to die in poverty. If we ask go to Tenginyama Yama 10 rand, 20 rand, aspire to change that story. It's just good next year by this time. You were saying afforda isaga lama pieces. So ya puma ge ma pieces so ngene ma train manje. You understand that? Like awusangeni bushari once ungene bushari uzokunuka. You step out because you understand ukuthi akumelanga kunuke so. You kind of get where I'm saying. You kind of understand what I'm doing. You will even choose where you eat, the type of meat that you eat. Isn't this fun and jingalezo? So I'm just letting you know that aspire for better things in life. It even with alcohol, I'll never buy alcohol at ShopRite Liquor. I'll never buy alcohol at Boxer Liquor. Not that I'm better, but I've worked so hard to not afford something that is a lower grade of what I'm consuming. So I know ngengathengi amarula elontoza ShopRite Liquor. Angagula zithandwa and kwakune special angagula. So that's I need to go. Once Zimbabwe understand that equality, your perspective of life changes. So gebantini who are comfortable in vibrating in poverty. Umuntu azokutshela ukuthi hey uzenza ngcono, hey ini. No. Change timelines, shift timelines, aspire for lezo zinto lezo, aspire ukuthi yazini, like you can understand that. Iyafana lento iKFC yaselokishini nesetown asifani. Uqeda ukushopha usandlula endaweni la kune KFC, kune Debonairs, abantu bakhona abahleli bakubhekile bayadla, babeka ama plastic nawo uguga ama plastic. Aspire for better in life. That's just what I'm saying to you. Like I hate people who are comfortable in poverty because it means that when empilweni yakho uwamukela. Avoid abantu abayamukela inhlupheko, abayamukela ini. Even like ni Dokfela Nanan, I stop those things because I cannot be shopping at a specific place because of their quality of food, and then when uthatha imali yami uyothenga igroza yami cash and carry, or uyothenga igroza yami emajuteni, and I personally do not wake up and go shop there. Ngikhumbula lo December ogcile ngaye kumshalwane literally sasidla ishukela eGrofu ngathi angazi ngathi i-cement ekwakhiwa ngayo istrati ishukela ebrown le brand angiyazi but sathola 10 ama 2 kg bakhona. So after that you realize ukuthi ama ultramilk wakhona esawathola wayemoshekile. So it is a thing le ngokutshela ukuthi quality over quantity is good, and especially kulesikhathi esiphila kuso. And abantu abamnyama thina we are easily being fed young understand udoti. So do your research, go online, usearch ukuthi ispas onobani. Iyabona usearch ukuthi Pick n Pay onobani, iBoxy onobani. You know, you also search the types of food, the grades of food, and aspire for better. That is why eBoxer ilasagna ingekho, because they also know the type of people that they are selling to. Uguti, these people don't think about a lasagna. Like wagune it means ne a Pick n Pay wagune Pick n Pay ekhona la Mayfield. I used to like buying it at Pick n Pay. My Safiga, their lean meat was good. I don't like ground beef. I prefer lean mince. So lean mince is better. I prefer the taste. You understand that? And I'm tandy mince meat if it's not Pick n Pay, if it's not lean mince from Pick n Pay, let it be Woolies, yeah, and also Checkers. But anything lower than that, I do not consume. I don't like that. So anyway, so ngang corner, right? The mint was no longer being put there because people were not affording, because the tray just of mince was 100 and something. You understand? People no longer were buying that mince, and then ngabona sekugcwele ground beef again. I tiki sengizwa ukuthi manje I say Pick n Pay kungene in a space inside iBoxer. So they saw ukuthi the affordability nabantu abahlala la, they cannot afford ama price was a Pick n Pay, because now Pick n Pay was competing with ShopRite in the same mall. You understand? In the same mall, so they had to remove what Pick n Pay wangena ini iBoxer. You understand? So there are levels to these things, guys. Know yourself and know your word. Like there are things I'm not willing to consume. You cannot buy me kekela se ShopRite. I do not consume kekela se ShopRite. I do not eat kekela se Boxer. You know, there are things I'm just not willing to do with my money. Like, money is energy. Siyisebenzela kanzima. And for you to afford comfort and quality, it's good. But the more you get your money and you vibrating at a lower space, think in ways to cut costs so you can afford yourself better. I know our economy is doing the things, but don't vibrate in that energy. You know, seek better for yourself. Guys, I know. So I wanted to show you, I did my lashes, ne? And then I did my bottom lashes. So gupume eli one. What scratched me here? Ooh. Oh, it's actually lipstick. I thought something scratched me. Okay, cool. So I did my lashes, right? So I did bottom lashes as well. But lagu pumeli one, it was poking my eye. So I'm gonna fix it. So let me know what you think of them. But I think I'm in love with them. They look good. Look from the side. Look from the side. It's really giving. I like it. Okay, I'll show you what I got and then we'll get to the pricing. So this was on special for 80 rands for 2. I'm a Ellis Bound coffee creamer, right? I also took Selati sugar, which was also on special for 2, right? But especially now for 2, right? It was not on special, but in 35 kg, didn't want to take something bigger. Instead, imoshe. So the date is good, but angithandi yabona Shoprite impuphu yakhona uthi sometimes uyayithela masekhamba isikhathi kuphuma izinto ezingathi amahareni. So what about iboxer, guys? You understand? Ngane rice ne ngidla ispeko. I love speko. Then I got these, which were cornflakes, and then it's 1.2 kg. This was 80 rand at Checkers for 1 kg, but this I got it at but at Checkers Gune special also. I think it's 80 rand, yeah, if I'm not mistaken. And then this was 80 rand for 1.2 kgs. So my boys love cereal. We cannot live without cereal. I wanted to take Narchies, but above everything else, I needed this more because loyal, right? Namarama, Lawa, as especially, I think it was 80 rand for 4 or 100 rand for 4 angsakumbuli, but my dad took 1. So Amarama now, especially. And then I bought Amakandela Lawa. They look cheaper. I just took them, hands were itching. And then I took Utopic Galena, it was 36 rands. And then I took Amasi Lawa. If you've never tasted their brand Amasi, please try it out. I also tasted it. Actually, who plugged me on this brand? I forgot. Bengtandi Douglas Dale, but the only thing that annoyed me was having heartburn. So brand of Amasi. Amasi Ispagela, so baby is Ispagela. So I later on went on to plug my dad. But these are actually good, guys. They're so creamy. So I saw them and the date is good, but I normally get them at ShopRite. You will never find this at Woolies. You won't also find this at Checkers. But you'll find it at Boxer. Angazi Pick n Pay Gutakhona na Amasi Ispagela. But try this out. You can also buy buttermilk, mix this, or add cream. Mina angidla amasa creamy ke, guys. Amasam are creamy. Ngifaki butter, ngifaki sugar. I'm that girl. But I'm plugging you on something very nice. If abantwana bakho bathanda amasi, go ahead and do that. So how much did I spend at Boxer Izolo? I spent 1,000 rand, right? Because yeah. I spent 1,000 rand because he didn't take a lot of things. I think he took about 3-4 items, and then I did save from that because especially. So when you produce your card, it was actually less. But what I paid off Izolo Boxer was 1,049 rands. It meant I had 450 rands left to myself, right? So which was a good win. And then njengoba besinizams baba mke wangifaka eDavidson Mall, guys, and then sayinizams, and then ngabona izitsha zami ama enamel ziyani yamalala every time akunomsebenzi la ekhaya. So I bought these especially for amasi. Ngiyathanda ukudlela lana abo mrogo abo abo ngintile ukuthi ngithengile ispinach ne box ezi2, yeah. And then sometimes ugcine abantu bekushisa impepho ngazo asisabuyanga, so I bought myself just this set to sit in the house because I got cups, I got plates, and nje nginayo ngama size just ukuthi iziphelela endumbeni. Once izinto za endumbeni azisabuyi, so ngithole lezi enizams. I think it was 12 rands or 15 rands, so I was still within budget, so it was 30 something I think I spent laphana in enizams. And then we passed by Sheet Street. Mangene Sheet Street, I saw these and I really like these. These are good, so cute and so demuri. These are 70 rands, right? So I took 2 of these. Right, so I took 2 of these. I also took this as well. Also took 2 of these because I'm a girl that loves to tea. This is so cute, guys. This is 80 rands as well, right? My face cloth flower. My hands are itching. Ask no questions, hear no lies. And then I went to buy a broom outside, right? So man figure outside kula mashop la la pescaren ngaphandle. They were saying 25 rand umthanyelo, so I don't carry cash. So the guy saying no, they're not gonna swipe for me, right? I had to end up going inside the shop to just take anything. Literally when I got in, I saw this. Let me show it to you. Guys, angazi umthetho wakuphi othi mawunemali ngothatheng, like what the hell. Yabona baseselokishini. Anyway, I saw this. This looked warm. Really liked it. There was no black color. It was just this. And these are the pants. These are the pants. So this is just some lingerie to just stay in the house. This is 100 rand. So I took it. So in all, I spent 125 rand in that shop. So I literally, Isola, I'm proud of myself. I was within budget. I did not go overboard. I was in budget. However, my dad did not fully tell you guys about the story Sase box, honey, but I will just get into it and summarize it for you because I also tried to ask my uncle. So box I tell my send there was big box, and then there was a lady washonela umntwana yabo eboxa ne, and then ngoba nestory ukuthi eboxa bathwele ngaye lo mntwana or inyoka leyaseboxa ile umntwana, and then there started being stories ke abantu bathi vele mawungalapha emafridgini you can literally feel it walking in. So those are the weird stories that are going on eboxa my sacred ukufika. However, I believe it and I also don't. Why I believe it? Mina in my line of work ngiyile nto ngichazele ukuthi abantu mabathatha igroup abanye, remember bayathunyelwa abanye ukuthi bayothatha ukungcola ne, like mawukhanda uyathatha uyala abantu baphithizela khona. Ngisho abantu ebox akuphithizela kanjani, akuna wonke umuntu uyangena uzoshiya imali, so bayakuthumela lapho ukuthi no hamba uyokha idot yalapho or ukhe inhlabathi, whatever you can, or whatever you need that, or thatha lento yakho ufike uyibeke ngalapho, you understand, so that isiphithiphithi lesabantu ngisho money is energy, you understand. So ni shop endaweni kanje sometimes vele kusuke kunezinto ezingekho right, you understand. Asala sithi vele ungabaloyi, but I'm just trying to say to you, at least shop at a place whereby isithelo sakhona is causing you, you know, like I mean guys, you can feel the energy mawungene udwethu or shopper, you feel safe, the vibration is different. Instead you're like, oh, I want this, I want that, I want that. You understand that? That's what I'm trying to say to you. You don't leave a place feeling drained. Is what I was very drained, guys. And then so my chat is that, so let's totally just say your box. It is true, it is valid. Like I did not even look at the fridges, even anything, even look at the lighting in the stores you buy in. The lighting in the stores you buy in will tell you that you need to work hard in shops. If a shop was a because ingoma, I was jabbing yami, king. Nah, I think my relationship with Boxer ends here. Abantu abadala vele namazi guys bayayithanda le ndawo echeap bazokucheap ukuthi hayi la ku cheap in. No, actually no. We are a different generation. Choose quality over quantity and choose your safety. Accustom yourself to indawo right. Also, you know, when we're doing these things, when you follow the laws of attraction, the laws of power, the laws of this, they tell you that sometimes go have a coffee in a very affluent environment so that you can accustom yourself to the life you want to live. You cannot want luxury, you cannot want soft, whereby you still can't even afford, you know, usabugo uyodla endaweni ofila ukuthi ziduru compared to you. Usabe ungena eshop and swipe something for you when everything mina ngithenge ama-Chinese. No, I just hate those conversations. In life, aspire for good things. Money is energy, and energy is always listening to us. And you need not worry about it because it's energy. You understand us? So if udla amancini wakho, idla amancini wakho, ngiyawadla amancini, ngiyasidla ispinach ngendlela, but it is not the foundation of my life. You understand that? I will not tell you ngizongithi ingingila ngibone kuzise seyilini lapha e-OBC. Huh? Uyayazi ivorce yase-OBC? Huh? Uyayazi ivorce yase-Roots le ekhululayo uma ufike ku-Bryce stand iyakhulula iyastrip? Huh? Izenzo zodwa abantu. Yeah? Uyayazi leyo vorce leyo? No. Ngicela ukuthi nizijwayezeni izinto ezi-right. Hayi ukuthi uma umuntu uzenza, and stop pocket watching people, guys. Ninazi ukuthi ukugula okutheni lokho. Umuntu just beka, nemali. No, I want better for myself. Ngizithandela into ezi-right. Isimo sami obumina nje into engiyiyo afford yoma iQ. Usathenga endaweni uma iline ende double up ema-shelfini. No, you need to aspire for better. Aspire for better. Angazi qala somewhere, baby. Qala somewhere. So anyway, this was another vlog. Nkatele, guys, the full moon is crazy and I just feel like I need to rest a bit. I need to also do some work, spiritual work, and that's why I'm chasing it. I wish every time I can full moon sivele sivali ndumba kuvele nje. I understand. Oh guys, it just becomes so heavy. Like ebusuku ngivukile, emini I'm sleepy. Like umuntu uzobe right next week. Umuntu uzobe right ngapha beng kicks i-kicks, guys. I don't thinking right. Yeah, right. Angivoteli kakhulu but right. Yabo angifuni nje into mina ekseni ngivuke ngekho right. Actually, I drink it ngivuke ekseni ngi-right. Amarula I drink ngivuke ngi-right. So to each its own, guys. Honestly, like to each its own. Yabonisa into yotshwala umuntu abhekela like abhekela umuntu wena uphuza ini leso khathi uphuza imunyamunye so umzimba wakho guys bye bye.